Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. This is a collaboration from 101 Custom Nails and BabygirlNails. They invited a lot of us YouTubers, our nail channels, to do spooky nails. So I'm not sure when this will upload, but if it's before Halloween, I hope you have a safe and happy Halloween. This is not something that I typically would do, so these will be on fake nails. And I give you a little warning, if you're sensitive to simulated body fluids, step out now. Okay, the body fluids are blood for those that are still with me. I've already got some nails prepped. First I used the African white from Model 1s. And then that's from their Traveler set. And from their Blue Blood set, the Lucia Red. I'm going to show you how I got the drips, and then I'm going to do a little design over the top. Since I know everyone's seen drippy bloody nails, I'm going to show you how I did it with gel polish. This was my first time ever doing it. I put it up here because, again, this is not a design I typically would do. I'm more of a pretty girl. But I was asked to participate, and I'm going to try to please everyone. Just let that gel go with gravity and help it along. You don't actually want to pull it down. Just pull it where you want it to start dripping at. If it's not covered the tips, cover the tips. Because it's going to look like, when I take my photograph, it's going to look like I've dug into someone. Maybe I'll find someone to dig into. I don't know yet. I will put the finished design look up at the end of the video. There's going to be a glowing element too. If I can pull it off. Ease those drips on down. They're not going where you want them to. It's just like water. Just kind of lead it to where you want. I'll let this drip a couple seconds, then I'll give it a good cure. You've got to cure it really well, especially in areas where it's thick. So I'll let this drip, give it a good cure, and come back with the rest of my art. Okay, that's cured for at least a minute in my professional lamp. And I will be wearing these later, so I just try to make sure I've got them sized up. I hope I do. If not, I'll have to redo it. I think I've got them a little screwy. But anyways, I'm going to take Glow in the Dark from SheModern. This is their white glow in the dark powder. I've got some top coat, no white top coat. I'm always trying to do things left-handed. Mix it in. This stuff will charge. The first time I wore it, it was glowing all night long. This one glows, particular one glows a blue, but I needed to use the white to do what I'm about to do. I'm going to try to draw the word help. Take that out. And let's pray that it works. I'm going to give these a good cure, top coat them, and come back with just one more little touch. Okay, they're cured, and you cannot tell that anything's written on them because I floated my top coat over. You can only see a little bit of glitter in there. I can see in person. I will be putting pictures of this up, me wearing them in the daylight and in the dark. But I've got one more thing. I'm going to get out the pearlescent shimmer from SheModern. This is the white. And I'm just going to add a little sheen to it, because I can't help but being a little bit of a girly girl, even in a scary manicure. Really, I should have put this on. These powders sometimes stick. You've got to knock them down. Put that on the white beforehand. But I wasn't thinking. See how it just makes a difference in, just a little different look to it. You don't have to do the whole thing. You can just do it whatever you want. I wanted to make it where you can see just a hair bit, that help is hidden underneath there. That's why I chose to go ahead and do this. And of course you would top coat this in afterwards as well. Like I said, this isn't my usual thing to do, but I was requested by several to do this, so I'm joining in. That's why I'm not doing it on my hands, besides the fact that I don't have nearly these pointy up nails to pull off this cool effect with. These just wipe right off. So let me go put these on, take a few pictures for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I hope you enjoyed those spooky nails that were requested. Please watch the other videos in this series. I believe it's called Spooky Nails. It's a kind of a Halloween collaboration. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.